I want that stuff. I want the grid behind. I don't want the stuff in the between, in the blocks. So that I'm actually looking for this piece. That's all I want out of all of that. So now I'll shove it in this bucket and I hit that with a high pressure washer and I'll come. So there, it's all loaded on. There's some rusty pieces. That'll all float, all that shit. And then there's the bottom. See, it's liquid. Okay, so this is what I'm left with. There's still a bit in there, but it'll float. It'll float on the top like this. Dip it so that the lead melts and the rubbish floats, and then slowly but surely try and skim it off without skimming up lead. Okay, so now I'm just about ready to flux it. I'll flux the metal to draw out any other impurities that are maybe in there. I think that's what fluxing does. I don't know, YouTube told me to flux. There's like some little pieces here. The more you scoop, the more, at this stage, the more lead you pull out, so it's a bit of a balance. I'm going to flux it with candle wax, but you can use sawdust, you can use a couple of things. It's a bit smoky, I've closed the door. Whoopsie, I've got a fright. So now, you'll be surprised at the weight of the spoon, like that is so heavy. I just put a bit of water to try and hurry the cooling period, but yeah. So I had about maybe 2 of those before, which I melted down again. So in total, what's that, about seven ingots from the one massive battery actually. But I might have more in that bucket I need to go through and process.